What's up, YouTube? We are back with another burger. It's your girl Shae.
It's your girl Shauna. What's up?
Yeah, and today we are at the state fairgrounds for a car show.
You know, you get to walk through, see the cars,
Yeah.
get some drinks, get something to eat. You know, I love to see my baby eat. So that's literally why I be wanting to come outside.
Yeah, we gonna see what they got. I don't know really what they got to eat, but
Yeah.
we definitely want to show y'all. We finna show y'all the cars, cause we can walk in these streets too.
Let's go straight down.
Ooh, I can't do that cigarette smoke though. When we get to the goods, we gonna come back to y'all.
Yes.
Ooh, y'all look at this one.
This is nice. Look at how clean this is.
It's my favorite color, and it's fire. Oh, the back is fire. I like that one. I like that one. I like that one. Oh, look. That's fire. I like that one. This one is nice.
I know about that. What you know about that?
Girl, what?
What you know about that?
Girl.
If you don't know about that, you know about that. From Love Don't Cost a Thing. Yeah, man.
She is funny.
Come on.
Talking about something from Love Don't Cost a Thing. She is too funny. Look at that. Look at that beauty.
Walk over here. Walk
Look at
over
that
here.
beauty.
What you talking about? What you talking about?
Let me show you what we're talking about. Look at that beauty.
Ruby red, what they say?
And the light shining right on it.
Same intake. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know nothing about that.
That's fire.
I don't know nothing about that. It's so clean.
Ooh, y'all, and it's sparkly red.
Detail red, come on, man. Black leather seats, come on, man. Get into the detail, bro. Look at the tires, bro. Look at the tires.
Let me see the
Ain't got no
inside.
rims.
Look at that, y'all. Shiny.
Yeah, clean. Yeah. Just real clean. I love it.
Tomorrow. Clean. Love it.
Asbury.
Look at your face.
I know, it's a lot, y'all. Look at all down there.
Look at the old school sitting on the back.
Where? Which way you want to go? Down here or down here? She want to go straight. We finna go straight, y'all.
Another GT, man. Another GT. Get into it.
And of course, y'all, we was rushing and forgot the tripod again. But it's okay. Look at this. Yes.
Everybody messing with these intakes, y'all. See, they know what they talking about. I see they know.
No, this blue is so fire. Look at the inside, y'all. It's blue.
Ooh, look at the seat. How clean the seats.
Don't touch. That is so cute. That's wrong. I'll try that. I'll try that.
Come on. Everybody is taking applause. You even have a girlfriend. Come on, give me some love.
This nice and shiny.
Come on, Justin.
I want one of these still too, y'all. An orange one. Yes.
Come on, man. You got the Henny in the bag, Henny in the bag. All their cars are so clean, man. Everybody got different rims going. I ain't never seen none of them.
Bruh,
You know?
them rims is fire, I ain't gonna lie.
Horsepower. Let you know something. Seats all leather. Got the ice cooler in the back.
Watch out.
I don't know. I think that's the parking lot.
That's different.
Come on, Justin.
You don't see nothing like that, man. What's this, man?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, man.
Oh, they
Come on, Justin.
It's just different.
You can't have a lot of time left in the box.
Chops out, man.
All
This
right.
one's fire. Even that green right there, yo.
Yeah, that's another SS Impala.
Fire.
Yeah. Y'all see that?
But look at this.
Little air induction. Oh, don't get them up and down.
It's so nice and easy.
Come on, Justin, blow that up.
With the camera, like, hold on.
Come on, Justin, blow that up. Everybody clear is going. Come on.
Stop playing, man. Stop playing with him.
Yeah, look at it.
What do you think,
This
Caleb?
is nice.
Huh?
He's different.
All right, let's hear it for him. All right, this is going to be the one that counts. Kyle's got the...
I like the dice they got in there.
I want to do it again. All right,
We ain't on the ground, you hear me?
on 3. For those of you who would like to support
This is
Justin,
clean on the inside.
let's give that round of applause. 1, 3.
Dry.
Thank you. And that's how it works. So we appreciate this.
She wants some cheesecake.
Good job,
Of
Caleb.
course she do.
I'm trying to see about a gyro. I'm trying to be big bag. We got some pasta.
She want the gyro too, y'all.
Just gonna snack. Depending on what they
All right.
want. It's up to her.
Tony Lodge. Can you share with us?
I don't know.
He brought his flag.
This orange bus, I'm
Did an 86 Chevy El Camino.
And it's so clean up.
It is in the shade.
You didn't spell it correctly. It's all right.
Let's go on this side.
He's in the box now.
Like they got some nice old school ones over there.
Say a prayer for him.
This black bus.
Ooh, let me show y'all this. Cause I ain't gonna lie. It's definitely shining.
Let's see what you got.
I love this clean.
Oh, coming out of the box strong.
I wish they had the windows down a little more so we could see the inside. But
Oh, you never know.
this is fire. Look at that red inside, bro.
Come on, man.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
They take care of it. Come on, man.
Come on, Tony.
Pull up in this
Come on, Tony.
and the drop front.
Oh, yeah. Look at that front bumper seating.
She in the trunk.
Oh, that car's working. It's working,
Get
baby.
on the back. Hit me.
Oh, yeah. Move over, Cardi B. Working, baby.
Still over there.
Ooh, y'all heard that, bro? Did y'all hear that?
Oh, yeah.
Scoot over some.
Now we get to the real old.
Yeah, real old school.
Let them burn, baby. Oh, you know one of those tires is going to go now. It's going to happen anytime.
That's crazy.
Don't stop now, Cody. Yeah.
Right.
First time Kyle showed up with that little device, I thought it was a breathalyzer.
Love that. Come sit next to me.
I love the cushion seats.
I broke a couple of them.
Looks so.
All right, let's let him go back to the feed area. Then we're going to take the vlog feeder.
Yeah, I like this.
Real, bro.
I'll try this for sure.
Damn.
I'll try this for sure, y'all. Look at that.
All right. By now we know how this works, right?
That will.
On 3.
Fire.
For our number 2 contestant. He's a local.
That lime green.
1.
Ooh, we gotta go see that orange
2,
one over there too in
3
front
for
of
Cody.
both of those. We're gonna go on the other
Did
side.
you hear that? I wish they did that for us once in a while. It's never gonna happen. Here, take this. Are we getting paid for this? You're not. That's for sure. All right. You guys having a good time? We try hard to make this event better and better each year, with the exception of those guys.
They literally rebuilt
We've
it,
got a lot of
y'all.
plans going forward.
And now it look like
Increased
this.
exhibitors, more giveaways, more fun, and a little less of me. Our number 3 contestant. See, I changed the name there. See what I did?
She was red and
She's
white.
won last year. It's Holly Granville. She didn't do too well yesterday, which was a surprise. Watch her now. I think she came to win her title back. Let's urge her on, everybody. Come on. Holly Granville, 73 years old. Stick around, rocket engine. You know, I got to give some of this. My wife hates when I do this. Come on, Holly. Come on, Holly. Let's hear it for Holly Granville. Let me get a little into this. Go, Holly.
Look at the little cars up there.
I hope my wife got the extra insurance. She ain't stopping,
Yo,
everybody.
this is raw.
Holly Granville, you're defending Street Machine National Burnout Champion.
Look at
Let's
that.
hear it. Damn.
Uptown girl.
Nice, huh?
I'll smell like rubber for weeks. Another good excuse for my wife to stay with me.
This one is
All
fire.
right. How was that? Woo! Chicks dig that rubber smell. I'll be hot in the bar. Right here. On 3.
You got the mini me and
Got the breathalyzer ready, Kyle? You of all people to have a breathalyzer. All right, on 3 for Holly. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You like that, don't you, Kristen? You like it, the juice, huh? The juice. Come on. These people got things to do, places to go.
Corvette.
Applebee's closes at 5. Come on. All right, here he goes again. What's his name? How could you forget what's his name? Oh, it's right in front of me. Richard Nix.
Look at that.
76 Mercury. Does not do burnouts. Is in the wrong place. Should have never come. Just kidding. All right. It's a tough crowd. So what do we have in the box? You have no idea? We'll find out. All right. I think I remember him from yesterday, but I threw yesterday's notes out. He's going to be new. So I'm going to find out who he is. Oh, sure.
They fire.
66.
That's a 392. This is Scat
Hold on.
Pack.
Let's keep him in there. Do not let him start there.
I like me a black truck.
What this is, mama?
I like this yellow.
This is fun.
Y'all, these are the type of cars I be trying to find to do like my photo shoots, bro. Like, ain't nobody finna let nobody touch these type of cars no more. Like, it's over with. That's so fire.
I like this blue in the middle too.
That powder blue one?
Like my SS, baby. That's the second version. Black one.
This green one, y'all. Yeah, this is fire. one of my favorite colors. It looks purple blue.
He said, it looks nice. I said, yeah, it looks real nice.
I really like this car because it says, built in loving memory of Ron and Cindy Dean. Somebody literally built this car in memory of somebody. This is so nice. And the inside is fire. Maroon and black, bro. Suede seats. Back of this one, first off, clean. Look at the seats. This one nice, ain't it? I love them seats. This is nice too. Be careful.
This green busted too.
Fire. She's a hot mama. She is.
She wants to get a good picture.
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Oh, look.
Come on. Sit down. Sheesh. Thank you. This looks nice.
I feel good. It's my favorite car. No,
Come on, this the SS too.
I feel like back in the day, man. Then look, one of the best ones that I've seen because it's really old.
How you feel, girl? We just let you sit in the car.
That's why you said in his SS. I'll be outside with the best car.
Okay, now.
You know,
This green one is cute. Yeah, let's see how this one looks. Let's see this one, y'all. And the inside is green too. Be careful.
I took one of them.
this nice.
This is fire.
This is too different. Look at the miniature model. I need in between both these holes. Jeez, y'all look at this one.
It's raw as hell.
Yeah, I could drive a big body Jeep like this.
You got some comfortable seats. Everything you need. Tire on the back, but you still stitching.
Jeez, y'all, I can't get over how big these tires is though. They sit up so high too. Right.
Look at that Dodge car.
You wanna go across? Yeah. And you got the lights on.
Nasty. What's the intake? I don't want to. The intake go crazy. It's over 2-3K for just that.
Oh yeah, that's right. Look at the seats, bruh.
Come on, man.
What?
We outside with them boys. Look at that. Crazy with this
Speakers going bammer, 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 bammer. Oh yeah. Look at that. They got lights on their what's the names too. This is nice too.
The opposite, the sign was showing burnout. Come on, man. Oh, this is nice.
Sheesh. I wish they had the trunk open.
They got them over the
See the headlights on top of all that. You see the cherry grape.
Come on. Fuck your opinion. I like their license plate.
And look at the sign.
I know, that's what I just showed them in the front. And girl, did you see the on the windshield? It say fuck your opinion.
Look at the tires.
Oh yeah. Ooh. That's different.
Got the Minnesota colors going.
That's like
the code. The code said it was Caribbean based, but they also have.
Alright, y'all. We is looking for some food because we hungry. Big bag, big bag. It's time. Everybody there for the subs and getting ices, shade ice. I need some food though, I ain't gonna lie to you. Like maybe later. Damn napkins.
They're on the other side over there.
Let's go over there. Just got us some cheese curds, guys. Kinda hungry. You want a little?
Nah, not yet. We still have something close by.
We just ate our cheese curds, yo. We low-key tired. Look, we're walking already. Now I like to come outside, but it be too hot sometimes. I be needing a break, so now I'm in the shade and I feel cool.
Nobody don't want to get up.
So we'll get up in a second. Yeah, it just feel nice to have a seat and not be in the sun. But while y'all at it, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
We're trying to vlog it.
And look at that orange Corvette. Come on, Bookie Bud. Oh, this is raw though. I'm not gonna lie. This is fire. Ooh, look at that orange Corvette. And there's another one coming up too. Right here. Yeah, that color is fire. And y'all know this my favorite color. So shiny at that. I don't know what I'm smelling, but I don't know if I like it. I don't.
Yeah, I like the smell.
Got about 2 more hours until they close, y'all. So I think a lot of cars are getting ready to leave. Look at that big old monster truck over there. Like it ain't never sitting that high like that. You see how high that mug's sitting? Bigger than you, girl. I see it.
But if we ever did try to expand that store, we might need it for people.
You want to come see this? You want to come see this? Big old thing? You love to drive this down the block.
Everybody else.
Look at how small she is compared to this. Like, girl, she's gonna scare the mess out of me. Don't you ever do that again. First off, I can't believe how big that is. It's crazy. Okay. Let's keep walking. That's nice. I ain't gonna lie.
That's better right there.
I know, that's what caught my eye. I love this car. This color. You wanted to see that brown one? You wanted to see that brown one? Funny as hell. Shark bait. Ooh ha ha. I love that. Literally dedicated to Nemo, y'all. That's so fire. Yeah. Look at all the friends in the back. What's up, Dory? You guys made me eat.
Hey, shark bait. Ooh, ha, ha.
Give me some fin. Give me some doggy. Dude. I mess with this car hard. Ooh. Whew, hold on. Because he done opened it up.
Not terrible. There's the 401, which one the car. Actually, it's pretty much
OMG.
Oh my god.
This is so fire. Too fire. Look at that.
You have to see where we can see you. Okay, thank you, Betty. At least we got a good radio because they didn't come with us. At least you got a good radio.
With the Snoop on the right.
What? Oh, I didn't even see. Look at Snoopy. See this one. Let me see the Mustang. fire too.
Right now, I'm so disappointed.
We just like we played all day.
Y'all car stink. I'm sorry, it smell like mothballs. I like this color. You want some lemonade? Lemonade it is.
We got lemonade at home, y'all. We just thirsty.
Yeah, that part. Cause she made some fire lemonade last night. Just put me in the coma.
Make it how you like it, baby.
This should be quiet.
They got a fresh squeeze, lemonade regular.
Oh, the jumbo
Maya.
that might be the jumbo. The regular. Shae. Okay, we walking down this way. It was closed already.
I know, I just opened it.
Oh, I'll put it in my back pocket. She's shiny, glittery too. It looks white to y'all, but this is actually like a powder blue.
Let's get him.
It dang near tastes like her lemonade she made at home. Literally. Whew. Watch this, Target. No bullshit. Another Monte Carlo.
Get on me on the comments, y'all. Damn.
This side of that spot.
Like the
I'm doing.
Great. How about you? All right. Thank you. This is fire. That blue and gold is, bro. Y'all, this is car, y'all. The merch, he ain't do this. I see, suede. Oh, and it light up. And it light up. Yeah, at night, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. I like that. Getting us one of these. Right, that's fine. Look at them pink and purple. Wait, we gotta go see those real quick. Y'all. That's where all this loud old music coming from. Oh yeah. Got the miniature in the front.
As a reminder, board ceremony.
That is too funny. Look. They got fake dogs coming out of it. That's cute. Yeah, definitely.
You got so much detail in the green like that.
I do like this green though. Orange seats.
Oh shit, that bitch leaning to the side, look down the block.
I see it. He turning the whole time. I don't think he coming this way. Let's go up some more so we can have a better view.
Makes radio work better.
Sheesh, y'all.
Yeah, slot. Good.
lot and we hungry, so it's time for us to go back to the crib. Y'all hear that? You know? But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. We love you guys.
Yes.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. You feel me? Because we here for a good time, not a long time.
Yes.
Baby, you be superstar.